biscuits. Mommy, I'm hungry.
Okay, Dea, here's your biscuits.
Thank you, Mommy.
What number is it? It's number 7. You have to find number 3.
Here it is.
It's number 3. Can you make 38? Number 38? Yay! It's number 38. Here. It's number 38. Yay! It's number 38. Okay. How old are you? You get the number of your age. How old are you? You're 5. You turned 5. Oh, I like your camera, Dea. It's Hello Kitty and it's color pink. How many donuts are in your tray?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, let's find number 4. Let's dive in. Where's the number 4? You have to find the number 4. Oh, there you are, number 4. Okay, there. When is the date of Mommy and Daddy's birthday? It's 20. It's 20. What is your favorite number?
Where's my age?
Is that your favorite number? Can you find number 6? Oh, it's number 6. Can we see? It's number 6.
Mommy, can I have some water, please?
Okay, Dea, here's your water.
Oopsie, Mommy. Mommy, let's count. 1, 2, 3.
Where's the number 3? It's the number 3. It's 0. What else? We have number 2.
What is it?
It's number 2. We have number 2. We have number 2. What else? Do we have number 3? Number 1. Oh, there's the number 3. Can I see? Here's the number. Oh! Here's the number 3. Next, do we have number 4? Do we have number 4 there? Oh, there you are, number 4. Yay! What's next? Do we have number 5? Oh, there you are, number 5. Yay! Do we have what's the next number? Do we have number 6? There you are, number 6. Can I have it? Yay, we have number 6. Do we have number 7? There you are. Say, come on, put it in your hand. Can I see? Yay, there's the number 7. There you are, number 7. It's number 7. What's next? Do we have number 8? Yay, we have number 8. What's next? What's next? Do we have number 9? Ooh, is that number 9? Can I see? No,
It's number 6.
it's number 6. Oh, there you are, number 9. Yay, we have, oops. We have number 9. Yay. Number 10. We can make number 10 using your finger. It's number 10. Yay.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.